Good morning student. See the question number 12 of 10.2. In this question the diagram is already given. See the question. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm such that the segment BD and the DC into which the BC is divided by the point of contact D, this point of contact D, of length 8 cm and the 6 cm respectively means BD is a 8 cm and the DC is a 6 cm. See also given in the diagram also. Find the side AB and the AC. We have to find out the side AB and the AC. Okay, so see the diagram is also here. In this the radius is given. Radius is given means suppose this is a center. This radius is 4 cm. This one is also 4 cm. This one is also radius and this one is also 4 cm. Okay, radius is given and this D and BD is 8 cm given and second this is B and this one is C given. BD is a 8 cm given and this one CD is a 6 cm given. Okay, 6 cm given. And see we have to find out this AC and the AB. Okay, so you already know about this. Suppose we draw the tangent from the external point, they are equal in length. Means suppose C is a external point, tangent from the external point on the circle are equal in length. Okay, so CD is a tangent on this circle at the point of contact D, and suppose this is our P and the Q point. Okay, so and this PCP is also tangent from the external, these two tangent from the point C. So from point C the two tangents we got, then that means the CD and the is equal to CP are the equal. Suppose the CD is a 6 cm, CP is also 6 cm. Same here from the external point B, the two tangents on the circle, that is BD and the BQ. This 8 cm, therefore BQ is also 8 cm. So AP and the AQ both are not given, so we consider this is AP is X and AQ is also X. Now we have to find out the value of X, because suppose we find out the value X, so X, because we have to find out here the AC. AC is a X plus 6 and here AB is a X plus 8. So firstly we have to find out the value of X, but before that see the same diagram divided by the another thing, means ABC, triangle ABC. Suppose join AO, OC and the OB, will get the three triangles like this. C, suppose join OA, OB and the OC, so we'll get here the AOC, COB and the AOB, three triangles. So suppose we add them, so we'll get the triangle ABC. Suppose we consider this is the A1 triangle, A2 triangle and the A3 triangle. So our area of A1 triangle is, A1 triangles means triangle AOB. So see in triangle AOB means our triangle A1. Okay, so area of triangle AOB means area of A1. So directly we can consider here the A1 is equal to, okay, area of triangle AOB. In this triangle height is given, yes, height is already given. See here the radius is here at the point of contact, radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. The relation between the tangent and the radius here. Okay, so by that theorem, first theorem, so Q is also 90 degree. Same here, D is also point of contact and the P is also point of contact. So here is also 90 degree. Means OQ, OD and the OP are the perpendiculars. If they are the perpendiculars in these three triangles, see suppose here this is point Q. This is also perpendicular, so this is the height of this triangle AOB. So in this triangle AOB, half base into height. So base is a AB and height is a OQ. So write down here half AB into height is a AQ. Height is already given 4 cm and AB is 8 cm plus X, means X plus 8. So here the half as it is into x plus 8. Okay, so now this is our area of triangle A1. Then now same like that, the all the triangles means A2, A3 and the A2 and the A3. Okay, then find out here the A2. See, again we can calculate this. Okay, so you can calculate like this also. So we'll get the, see, x plus 8 into this 2, again multiply by 2, then 2x plus 16. Okay, 2x plus 16, this is our A1. Now A2 is a area of another triangle. Another triangle means, suppose A2 we consider here AOC. Area of triangle AOC is again half base into height. In all these triangle, heights are same 4 centimeter, but bases are different. So here this is a 6 plus x, 6 plus x base. So substitute here half x plus 6 or 6 plus x into 4. Again 2 to the 4, that means x plus 6 into 2, that is 2x plus 12. This is our A2. Then now the A3 means area of triangle, third one, COB. Area of triangle COB, again half base into height. So half base is a CB, already 6 plus 8, that means the 14 is given, and height is again 4 centimeter. Okay, so 4 centimeter again, so we'll get the 28 here directly. Okay, so now add, suppose we add area of triangle ABC for the ABC, for the whole triangle ABC, A1 plus A2 plus A3, area of A1 plus A2 plus A3, so we'll get the area of triangle ABC. Now the A1 is a 2x plus 16, then A2 is a 2x plus 12, A3 is a 28. Okay, so directly we can add it, so we'll get the final answer, that is a 56 plus 4x. Okay, 16 plus 12 plus 28, that means the 56, and the 2x plus 2x is a 4x. Okay, then again this area we have to find out by the Heron's formula. Okay,